This 2022 Winnebago Boldt 4X470BL is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector, air conditioning, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Boldt 4X470BL is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.